Welcome back! Be sure to follow me on all social media platforms, like, share, and subscribe. I used a small, dense, angled brush to fill in her brows using my Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color dark brown. I then lined her brows with a medium-sized angled brush with my LA Girl concealer in the color Espresso, and I shaped them up really nicely. And I then used a flat angled brush to blend out the unibrow that I created. I'm setting my eyeshadow with my base by LA Girl concealer in the color Porcelain, ensuring it's evenly applied. I personally like to do this with my finger. You can either use your finger, you can use a brush, whichever one you prefer. I like my finger because I think that it allows for it to be a little bit smoother, as you can see within this video. Next, I'm using my Morphe X James Charles palette, first applying the color Daddy with a flat fluffy brush. Then applying the color Cola with the same brush. I'm then using a round brush to blend out the green color Daddy with the color Social Blade from the Morphe and James Charles palette. Using the same brush, I'm going to blend out the blue with the color Playground from Morphe and James Charles palette. I cut my crease off camera. If you would like to know how I do so, be sure to comment below and I'll be sure to make a video for you guys. I'm just dragging it out so it can be a little bit more dramatic. Using a flat brush, I'm using the color Canary Yellow from my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Applying that on the inner lid. Next, I'm going to apply the color Matte Tangerine Orange, also from my Zulu palette. I'm then going in with the color Social Blade from Morphe and James Charles palette, applying it next to the orange. I'm going to apply the color Playground by Morphe and James Charles. Next, I'm applying my KQD Fine Cosmetic Glitter along the crease, and I also applied my 25mm KQD lashes off camera. If you'd like to purchase either of these, be sure to click the link below. Next, I'm priming with e.l.f. Poreless Primer, applying it in circular motions. I'm going to apply my color correcting concealer by LA Girl, and I'm just using this to cover up any dark marks, any circles, just allowing for that hyperpigmentation to be even. I'm using the color espresso for the contour and blending it out with my beauty blender and tapping the product into her skin. As you can see, this color is literally perfect for her. It almost looks like she has nothing on her chin and above her mouth. Now it's time to bake. What I'm doing now is brushing off the excess setting powder in circular motions with this fluffy brush. This is allowing for that excess setting powder to spread to those other areas. Now I'm applying highlight from my Aurora palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love, love, love a good highlight on the nose. That is literally my favorite. I love that confidence that comes with your makeup look, that sass, that attitude that sis is given. She is giving me life. She is using the color Rosetta from KQ Dynasty. This is a lip glaze, and as you can see, it's super cute. It's almost like a blush pink. It's super glossy and it's not too much. It's literally perfect for any look because it doesn't throw off the eyeshadow. Please do make sure you follow, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time. Thank you for tuning in, and I love you all.